Life brings challenges which inspires us to innovate and find solutions. Look around. On roads, in industries, mines, factories, the most degrading and deadly task of cleaning sewers are still done manually. Genu Technologies Private Limited, a leading and well-known company in manufacturing and exporting robust and affordable human-enabling collaborative robots for hazardous, strenuous, and repetitive work. We are currently serving heavy industries like HPCL, BPCL, IOCL, Reliance, HZL, Hindal, etc. To be precise, we serve the industries with huge storage tanks for petrochemicals and liquid chemicals. Examples: edible oil, thermal power plants, etc. Industrial sludge is most difficult to clean. At Genu Technologies, we have innovated robots for this most hazardous and challenging task of sludge cleaning, irrespective of the type of sludge and its viscosity, like crude oil, grease, naphtha, tar, wax, furnace oil, and chemical slurries. Our robots can clean all types of sludge and are compatible with all kinds of tanks. It ensures more work in less time and zero threat to human life. The robust design and hydraulic mechanism make our robots error-free, unbreakable, and easy to operate. For the bottom entry tanks, robots come with a ramp, specifically designed according to your needs and to serve any work atmosphere and specifications irrespective of the type of sludge and its viscosity. Our robots are modular and can work tirelessly and more accurate, can do mundane tasks, free from infections and diseases, reduced maintenance time and cost, prevent accidents, and the list may go on and on. With our 24/7 after-sales services and complete support and training to the robot operator at Genu Technologies, we are committed to making this world better to live and work.